Now we will see, right now in database no value is being inserted. To insert, first we will go to code. I have written a short code in which a single value is inserted. After creation of connection, for executing every query, we will have 3 steps. Query will be that statement with the help of which we will store values in database. To execute one query, first method will be to write a query of SQL. SQL stands for Standard Structured Query Language. You can make any variable. I made a variable with the name of SQL and wrote a query in it. Third into table name and the names of all columns in which I have to insert values. The values which I have to store, I gave the formatting for that. These will be stored in the format of string there. This is the query which is written, then in val I placed all the values which will be stored in these 3 columns. After doing these 2 tasks, the cursor which will execute the query, myCursor.execute, the query which has to be executed and the value which is placed against that query will be passed as an argument. When I am going to run this, then successfully the values will be added in my table. It told us that one detail is inserted. We will go to our admin, we'll refresh it. Our one detail is inserted. The ID of that is 15. ID has been assigned automatically. The other 3 values we gave as an input, which now stored in our database. Same if I want to add more values in it. Query will be created once. The values can be changed. If I again refresh it, then it will tell that detail has been added. This will insert query. If I have to delete something let's update. For update, the query which we have, you can write any variable in which you want to store the query. Update customer. We have to update this table. Now name has to be Salman, where the CNIC was 374056789158. Here now in place of Imran Tahir, enter Salman. When I am going to save and run, 3 details inserted. Wherever it was Imran, now Salman has come. Tahir has come again because all queries are executed. If we have to delete anything, for that we have query delete. From customer, where name is equal to Salman, all the records of Salman will be deleted and all the remaining will be shown. All records of Salman have been deleted. This is in Python if we have to delete, insert or update values with database. This was the last lecture of our course in which we saw connectivity and insertion of database with the help of Python.